Imagine turning any book into a professional audiobook in just a few clicks. No complex tools, no long hours. In this video, I'll show you how to do it effortlessly using AI and an easy-to-use tool. Ready to transform the way you create? Let's get started. All right, let's create an audiobook using AI. First things first, open HitPaw Edimakor using the link provided in the description. Once you're inside, click on the toolbox option. Here, you'll find a variety of tools. To get started, click on Text, and then select Text-to-Speech. If the screen appears too large, you can resize it slightly so everything fits perfectly and is easy to work with. Next, decide which book you want to turn into an audiobook. Simply copy the text of the book and paste it here. For instance, I've opened The Psychology of Money. Whether it's your own book or any other book you want to convert, this process works perfectly. Copy the text from the specific page you want to create audio for, and then paste it into HitPaw Edimakor. Here comes the fun part, customization. You'll see a variety of options to tailor the audio to your liking. For example, I want my audiobook in English, so I'll select the English language. You can also pick the accent that suits your content best. Want a professional tone? A storytelling vibe? You can choose the style that aligns with your audiobook's theme. When it comes to the voice, you'll find both male and female options. For audiobooks, I personally prefer a male voice as it often feels more dynamic. You can also select the age of the voice for a more tailored experience. Preview a few voices to see what works best.
Hello. Let my voice add more color and warmth to...
Hello. Let my voice add more color and warmth to your work.
I found the first option perfect, so let's move forward with it. Now, hit the Generate button, and within seconds, your audio will be ready. You can preview it immediately or head to the timeline editor for more advanced adjustments. This is where HitPaw truly shines. You can edit everything, right from adding background music to incorporating sound effects.
I spent my college years working as a valet at a nice hotel in Los Angeles.
Let's polish the audio further by adding background music. This ensures your audiobook is engaging and not monotonous. Pick music that matches the mood of your content. Don't forget to use the fade-in effect so the music blends in smoothly rather than starting abruptly. Adjust the volume to balance it with the narration. If there are any unnecessary parts, simply cut them out. Once done, play the audio again.
I spent my college years working as a valet at a nice hotel in Los Angeles.
It'll sound professional and polished. If you want to turn it into a video, add the book's cover image, overlay a music circle animation, and voila, you've got a video-ready audiobook. You can upload this version directly to YouTube. For those who prefer audio only, exporting is super simple. Just name your file and export it in MP3 format. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've created a high-quality audiobook that's ready to share on platforms or with your audience. Easy, right? And that's a wrap. Ready to create your own audiobooks? Download HitPaw Edimakor now using the link in the description and start your journey today. If you found this content helpful and want to keep leveling up your skills, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Let's keep creating.